Most of us waste time every day searching through a crowded refrigerator. A little organization can completely change the way your kitchen feels. When every ingredient has its own place, making lunch suddenly becomes quicker, easier, and a lot less stressful. I love having sliced meat, cheese, and sandwich. Is ingredients already organized. Everything is visible, easy to grab, and stays together. These containers also make quick lunches and snack prep so much easier. No digging through half-opened packages anymore. Sometimes the smallest kitchen upgrades make everyday life feel simpler. It's not about having a perfect kitchen, it's about creating one that works for you. If you love practical kitchen finds that make everyday life easier, subscribe for more cozy kitchen inspirations. Like, follow, and share.